In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete a page in Confluence and restore it if you need to without breaking a sweat. First, open the Confluence page you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you're on the exact page you intend to remove. If the page has important information, attachments, or child pages nested under it, be aware that deleting it may also affect those items. If you're working in a shared space, it's a good idea to be certain you have the right page and the right permissions before you proceed. In the top right corner of the page, click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Actions. This menu collects options that aren't shown on the main toolbar. If your Confluence layout looks a bit different, it may appear as an Actions or More menu, but it's typically the same spot in the upper right. From that menu, choose Delete or Move to Trash. Depending on your Confluence version, the wording can vary, but the result is the same. The page goes into the space's trash instead of being erased forever right away. This is intentional, giving you a safety net in case the deletion wasn't what you intended. Now read the confirmation message carefully. Confluence often warns you if the page has child pages, attachments, or links pointing to it. This is your final chance to make sure you're not removing something that others rely on. If anything in the message doesn't look right, cancel and double check the page details before trying again. If everything looks good, confirm that you want to delete the page. Once confirmed, the page will move to the trash. It won't be visible in normal navigation anymore, and most users won't stumble across it. Next, check the page tree to make sure the page was removed. Look at the left-hand sidebar or the Spaces page hierarchy. If the page is gone from the tree, the action worked. If you still see it, try refreshing your browser or clearing any filters that might show cached results. If you realize you deleted the wrong page, don't panic. You can restore it from the trash. Open your Spaces trash area and locate the page you just removed, then select Restore. The page and its contents will come back to their previous location when possible, making it easy to recover from mistakes. That's it. You've learned how to delete a Confluence page, verify that it's gone, and bring it back if needed, all while keeping your workspace tidy and safe.